Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start inside WhatsApp, open the app and go straight to Settings, no detours. Once in Settings, tap Account, then Privacy. This path exposes the fingerprint lock control. Make sure your phone's biometric sensor is active and you can unlock the phone normally because WhatsApp checks that first. If someone else set biometrics, ask them to unlock or remove it. Now that you're in privacy, locate the fingerprint lock toggle and get ready to turn it off. Toggle the fingerprint lock, switch to off, and respond to the system prompt. WhatsApp requires your fingerprint to confirm the change. Use the same finger that was registered when enabling the lock. This prevents re-enabling by mistake. Once the sensor accepts your print, WhatsApp shows a quick confirmation message. Make sure it reports the lock as disabled. After confirmation, navigate back to the chat view and verify functionality by opening a locked chat or returning to privacy to see the toggle remains off. Complete the process by restarting WhatsApp if the toggle still shows on. A quick relaunch often refreshes settings. If authentication repeatedly fails, update the app or reinstall it. This fixes permission or cache issues. Make sure your phone's biometric settings list a valid fingerprint. If not, re-add the finger in System Settings and repeat the disable step. If you still can't disable it, temporarily remove all fingerprints, disable app biometrics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.